I've been doing a lot of tarot reading for a lot of people, and in every session, everybody wants to know how the coming year will be for their career, money, and many things. So even in the TV program, they would really ask me like, "Ma'am, how will be 2021 or 2019, whichever time period they wanted to know." So let us check for the Kumbha Rasi or the Aquarius sign how your 2021 will be. Now I have formatted the way to do the reading for them. First I will be taking 3 cards. So as I am taking 3 cards, I will do a general prediction how the year will be. Then I would read their family life, money and work, because these are the 3 important criteria in everyone's life. That's how I'm going to do the tarot session for you. Now let us take 3 cards to see how the general year will be for Kumbha Rasi. So the card is the Strength or the major card, 6 of Swords and 9 of Wands. It's going to be a pretty bad year. For one reason, the year is going to tap you to bring out the best. To bring out the best, God will always put you in trials and tribulations. That's what the 6 of Swords and the 9 of Wands tell you. 6 of Swords, very tough journey going into unknown waters, which means unknown areas will open up. What you do not want in life will come in front of you. There is a saying like, if you don't want to live the life will come to live with you. So all those important what you had been saying, procrastinating, and you don't want to touch it, all those things will come inside. You have to really work it out, and you have to really cross the big sea to get into the next thing. It's like you have to dive deep into the sea to get the pearl. The next is the 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands, you have to handle lot of elders, or you may have to do lot of hard work. Do the ritual. You need tons of divine energy and miracles to happen in your life, which can open up only with the ritual. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty tough. Now let us take 2 cards to see how your work will be. So the cards is 6 of Cups and 7 of Cups. Yes, work area will be too good. You'll have lot of satisfaction, but 6 and 7 of Cups, the expectations from you will be huge, and in turn you expecting the company to do good for you will be also huge. Now these will all match in 2021, probably the best year for you in terms of work. If you're going to go into an expansion like taking up new job, please go ahead and take it. Or if you're going to take a new ventures or new whatever you say, what your company is offering as a new team, whatever it is, please go ahead and take it. Everything will finish in your favor. Now let us take how your finance will be. The Judgment card, which is the major card, and the World card. Expenses is going to be huge, and to meet the expenses you need to do the ritual or pray to Mahalakshmi. Then only you will be able to tide over the situation. Then you will be traveling some way or the other. It could be a short travel or a long travel, traveling alone or with the family members. That expenses will pick it up. You have to just buck up yourself. Don't invest. Go into a very conventional form of spending. If you're going to invest, it's not a very good year for you. Now, how will the family life be? Knight of Swords and Ace of Cups. Lot of emotional things will be there. Somehow you will manage. You will do the firefighting. You will have the energy and the mind to do the firefighting, but the Knight of Cups and Knight of Swords and Ace of Cups, which means at times you have to allow the problem to cool it by itself, because when you try to close one problem, another problem will manifest. It's better, unless it is very urgent, not to take up lot of things in your hand and to manage the situation. What comes which requires lot of your attention, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, you let it go slowly, it will get cooled down, because emotional problems cannot be solved. You need to carry lot of people along with you. So for Kumbha Rasi and Aquarius sign, it would be a moderate year, a year full of challenges and rituals. If you like the video, please share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.